Back to Huxtello iTech. Today, we have exciting news for aspiring students. The University of Education, WINEBA, UEW, has opened its admission portal for the 2024-2025. Whether you're looking to pursue an undergraduate, postgraduate, or international program, this is your opportunity to embark on a journey of knowledge and growth. Let's dive into how you can successfully apply to UEW for the upcoming academic year. Log on to the university's website. Start by visiting UEW's official website, https://www.uew.edu.gh/admission/apply/, and select your preferred entry mode: regular, full-time, sandwich, distance, or postgraduate. Purchase your application form. Once you've chosen your entry mode, it's time to buy your application form. You can conveniently purchase a voucher using the following options. 1. Dial 8879# on all mobile networks in Ghana. 2. Visit designated banks like GCB Bank, ADB Bank, Republic Bank, Zenith Bank, Prudential Bank, or Access Bank. After acquiring your PIN, proceed to the application portal and enter your details. Make sure to provide accurate personal information, educational history, and attach necessary supporting documents like transcripts, certificates, and a passport picture. If you're applying for a postgraduate program, download the referee report form and submit it to the designated email after completing your application. Before final submission, preview your application form to ensure accuracy. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation notification via email and SMS. Now, let's talk about the cost of application forms. 1. Direct, post-diploma, GH cent 255. 2. Sandwich, GH cent 255. 3. Distance, GH cent 255. 4. Mature, GH cent 405. 5. Postgraduate, GH cent 305. 6. International, 100 United States dollars. Mark your calendars with these deadlines. 1. Sandwich programs, Friday the 30th of August 2024. 2. Mature applicants, Friday the 1st of November 2024. 3. Direct, post-diploma, Friday the 29th of November 2024. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to join the University of Education, WINEBA. Take the first step towards your academic journey today. For more educational updates, stay tuned to Huxtello iTech. Thanks for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.